Okay, and now I want to tell you about how to enable face unlock in Pocophone F1. And this is my phone. It's Pocophone F1 using MIUI version 10.3.4.0. It's updated from India version. How to check your face unlock is enabled or not is go to setting and go to system and device, lock and screen password. In this situation we can find face unlock, and how to enable it is go to setting and additional setting and then change the region. Now I'm in Japan and I must change to India or Indonesia. I will try to Indonesia. And now my system is in Indonesia, and then go to setting again and go to lock screen and password, and now add face data is show up, and then click add face and data and then confirm your password and then just add your face data. Edit successfully. It's so fast, man. And now how to check is it enable or not. Turn off your phone and then try to unlock. If you see that check up there is unlocked, and I'll try if my face is not in front of the camera. It's not unlocked, and now I will try to show my face in front of camera. It's checked. And that's it. Thank you.